Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Roblox pants on mobile. First, you'll need to download a good image editing app from your app store. There are many free and paid options available. Next, you'll want to get the official Roblox pants template, which is a transparent PNG file. This template is crucial as it guides your design, ensuring everything aligns correctly in the game. Familiarize yourself with its different sections for the front, back, and sides of the pants. Once you have your template, import it into your image editing app. It's highly recommended to work with multiple layers. This allows you to easily add colors, patterns, and details without permanently altering your base. Experiment with various brushes, shapes, and text. Aim for high-resolution textures to make your pants look sharp and professional in Roblox. Pay close attention to color schemes and how they complement each other. After you've finished designing, save your image as a PNG file with a transparent background. Make sure the dimensions are exactly 585 pixels wide by 559 pixels tall. Then, head to the Roblox website on your mobile browser, navigate to the Create section, and upload your pants. There's a small Robux fee, typically 10 Robux for uploading. Always test your new pants in a private game to check for any errors or misalignments before making them public. To truly excel, explore the vast Roblox creator community for inspiration and tutorials. Many experienced designers share their tips and tricks. Consistent practice is key to refining your design skills and understanding the nuances of the Roblox platform. As you get better, you might even consider selling your unique pants designs on the Roblox marketplace, potentially earning Robux from your creations. Keep experimenting and have fun with it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.